Imagine yourself transported back to the bustling streets of late 19th century New York City. The city that never sleeps was experiencing a boom in businesses and government institutions, and with that came a growing concern for safeguarding confidential information. How could one dispose of sensitive documents without risking exposure? In this era of secrecy and confidentiality, Abbot Augustus Low, a maverick inventor with a knack for marketing, emerged as a key player in our story. Hailing from Brooklyn, New York, Low was about to change the game with an invention that would leave a mark on history. In 1909, Abbot Augustus Low secured a patent for his brainchild, the waste paper receptacle. This may sound like a bland name for a groundbreaking invention, but do not be deceived. This was the first iteration of what we now call the paper shredder. Low's contraption was a hand-cranked mechanical device designed to slice paper into tiny, unreadable pieces. Its primary users, banks and government agencies, who needed to destroy sensitive financial and classified documents. Picture the scene in those early offices as employees gathered around this enigmatic machine, cranking away and witnessing their documents magically transform into confetti-like remnants. The waste paper receptacle was not only practical, but also a source of amusement. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Low's invention had its quirks. The hand-crank design required physical effort, and the noise it produced could rival a rock concert. Yet, these drawbacks did little to dim its appeal. In fact, the racket only added to its mystique, turning it into a conversation starter and earning it the endearing nickname of the Squeal Box. As time marched on, innovators and engineers refined Low's design, introducing electric motors to make the process easier and less ear-shattering. One such innovator was Adolf Ahinger, a German engineer who, in the 1930s, crafted a more user-friendly version of the paper shredder. Ahinger's creation was compact, electrically powered, and accessible to a broader audience. It wasn't until World War II that the importance of paper shredders skyrocketed. These machines became indispensable in maintaining secrecy and safeguarding classified information, elevating their status and securing their place in history. After the war, the popularity of paper shredders continued to soar, infiltrating corporate boardrooms and government offices across the globe. Companies like Fellows, Rexel, and Shredmaster entered the scene, manufacturing advanced models with enhanced safety features, larger capacities, and cross-cutting technology to produce even tinier paper particles. Fast forward to today, and the paper shredder has evolved into a ubiquitous tool found in homes, offices, and government agencies worldwide. It has come a long way from its raucous and unwieldy beginnings to the sleek, automated marvels that handle vast amounts of paper with ease. Some modern shredders even offer secure destruction of optical discs, credit cards, and more. So, there you have it, the enthralling journey of the paper shredder. From Abbot Augustus Low's hand-cranked wonder to the sophisticated machines we rely on today, it's a story of innovation, secrecy, and the eternal quest for privacy in an ever-changing world. The next time you feed a document into your trusty shredder, remember the captivating path it took to become the silent guardian of your secrets.